Is there still hope for James Gunn and DCU? The week of the Supergirl release ran a story that Paramount Skydance CEO David Ellison has already met with DC Studios co-chief James Gunn and Peter Safran. We are tracking every Man of Tomorrow development as it breaks. The complete rundown, Man of Tomorrow release date, cast and story. On the surface, the early signals sound positive for the current regime, but look closer and the picture is more complicated than the headline quotes suggest. Speaking to the Hollywood Reporter at the Brooklyn premiere of Supergirl, executive producer Lars P. Winter confirmed that Allison has already traveled to Atlanta, where Man of Tomorrow is currently filming. He came to Trilith Studio already. That's where we shoot all our movie that James directs. Winter said he came to Atlanta. We showed him everything, and we are having discussion with him. According to Winter, Allison is enthusiastic about the duo's work. He is pretty open to what we are doing. He said he's a big fan. He's been great with us. He's giving us kind of what we want. So far, everything's good. Winter added that the existing slate is rolling forward. We do have a slate and a lot of it. Obviously, Clayface is already coming out. We already have the Lantern TV show on those things. The trains left the station, so we are good. Here's the part worth paying attention to. Every single project Winter names as locked in Clayface, the Lantern series, the Batman Part 2, Supergirl, and Man of Tomorrow was greenlit and put into motion under the previous Warner Bros. Discovery regime. These were part of the original DCU slate Gunn and Safran announced back in 2023, long before Paramount Skydance entered the picture, and we also know some of those projects are not moving forward. So when Allison shows up and says to keep it going, he is not greenlighting a new vision. He is declining to cancel work that's already shooting, which is exactly what any new owner would do with projects that are mid-production and represent sunk cost. Torching films that are already in front of cameras would be a financial non-starter. Letting them finish is the obvious expected move. What's telling it what is not there? Nothing new has been announced beyond Man of Tomorrow. Winter even hint at it himself, saying they already know what the next movie going to be after that, but it remain unannounced. Every concert project he can point to predate Paramount. The forward slate past 2027 is still a blank page. That empty post Man of Tomorrow slate remain the real question. If the current DC regime were locked in for the long haul, you'd expect to see new tentpoles being announced and lined up. Instead, everything concrete on the board is inherited from the old guard. As we laid out in our breakdown of DC uncertain future, the sign of a regime in transition are still piling up, and a hands on new owner backing the in-flight slate doesn't change the fact that what come after it remain undefined. Our insiders have continued to report that Snyder's return is in active discussion as part of those bigger picture conversation. Report also continue to say Gunn will be out and even may return to Marvel. Supergirls fly into theater June 26 with Man of Tomorrow set for 27.